Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the skin1004 Azelaic Acid 10 Ampule. This product retails for $24. I'm beyond excited for this new treatment from skin1004 because it encapsulates one of my favorite ingredients, azelaic acid. That has been the best ingredient for my acne, my redness, and they use a gentle blend in here that looks like it's going to be super moisturizing, barrier strengthening, and also soothing to redness. They have supercharged this formula. It's something unlike I've seen in other azelaic acid treatments, and skin1004 Centella products have always worked so well for me, so I cannot wait to see how this performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use Centella in this, along with an azelaic acid blend consisting of 10% azelaic acid and some azelaic acid derivatives as well, along with Panthenol and licorice root extract, looking to be a really loaded down ingredient list. I cannot wait to see how it performs. Check out all the ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include, has this product feel? What do I notice in terms of results? How often can I use it, and does it cause any dryness? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. Words cannot describe how excited I am for this. I did notice it is a very watery azelaic acid treatment. Always impressed when brands can master a watery treatment, because from what I've seen with cosmetic chemists and experts, it is a very difficult ingredient to formulate with. Korea has seemed to master the watery azelaic acid, so I am glad they went for this approach with it. The level of ingredients in here looks so impressive. It is feeling like a pretty moisturizing treatment at first. It dries down to have just a little bit of a glowy finish, and I'm not experiencing any sensitivity on my hand. I'm gonna take a couple of drops of this out. It is so watery. I'm gonna pat this in the face. One thing with these more watery azelaic acid serums that I wanna see is how drying they can be, because azelaic acid is one of these ingredients that can be so drying for the skin. That's why I do sometimes like emulsion deliveries. This is drying down pretty much immediately, not giving any sticky finish whatsoever, and a little bit of a nice glow. I can tell though this is just going to be a very bare bones treatment based product in terms of finish, so you can really control what level of nourishment you get out of it by going in with some more rich hydration products. Not bad. It's not causing any dryness or sensitivity initially. I will see with more continued use how it does continue to perform. Azelaic acid is one of these ingredients I use twice a day, every day. I'm gonna try that with this formula and just report back to see how it performs for my skin. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This has to be one of my favorite azelaic acid treatments for the price point, for the level of ingredients in here, and for the skin soothing, acne balancing, and really luxurious formula to this product. Had a very watery texture, which is not unusual from a lot of Korean options. I do feel like the Anua is pretty similar to this. I feel like this though has a lot of better ingredients for the skin. Personally spoke towards my skin concerns, which is acne prone skin. I've tried out a lot of azelaic acid serums and it is difficult to compare them. I have to say right now, this is one of my favorite more gentle 10% concentrations that also had a great active free blend to enhance the benefits of the soothing and redness calming addition that it did give. No sensitivity, no dryness. I am more used to using skincare actives. I would recommend consulting with experts if you are looking to get advice in starting actives. I don't necessarily feel like this would be the best beginner option, but it is definitely more on the gentle side. It's possible this could be a good, more gentle azelaic acid treatment. Here's the thing though, this was holding up the results from my previous 10% concentration, and I felt like it was very effective. It was coming from using the Inky list, azelaic acid is kind of on par price point wise with a lot of my other favorites, and so I'm not really going to compare it. I feel like a lot of Korean skincare retailers also vary on what prices you can get, so I always recommend checking those out and seeing which one has the best value at the time, because every different website runs sales. I would just recommend sticking to some that are reliable. I personally love Yes Style. That's usually the best price, but there are different options out there. I love it. It's a super lightweight treatment, not sticky, and doesn't leave a heavy finish on the skin, but also has a nice gentle formula that was not necessarily moisturizing, but had some ingredients that counteracted some of the dryness that can come from azelaic acid. No purging, no sensitivity. I am more used to using an active. Purging is normal, especially when you're just getting into trying it, but I fell in love with this product. I feel like it is a holy grail and one of those treatments that I found myself wanting to use. I was able to use it both day and night every day with no issue, and it was beautiful like that. It is one of my favorite treatments that I have tried, and the Centella in here I found was also beneficial to calm and soothe my skin. If you deal with a lot of redness, if you deal with a lot of acne, and you want a new azelaic acid formula, I definitely think this is one to check out. I would personally venture away from my traditional routine to use this product because I did feel like it was beneficial to my skin and helped calm my skin significantly. More time will tell with that. I've obviously spent more time with my other treatments. I will keep you posted through short form content with this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.